Now, one of my favorite ways to demonstrate an air purifier is to take a candle here, blow this out, and now you can start to see it's going to pull this smoke into the filter here, and there you go. You can see how we are climbing up all the way into 70. It's showing us that green, the air quality is lessening, and then here it's going to do its darnest to get us back to some, look at how fast it's getting us back to perfect air quality. Here we have the beautiful Levoit Core 400S air purifier. Now this is rated for basically 2,000 square feet. This is going to purify my entire house within 60 minutes. We have a 360-degree filter on this, and then all of our settings on the top here. So you can see this blue means our air quality is perfect at the 1 here in the rating, which is very good air quality. We have our fan settings right here. This gets very fast. The air is being sucked in here and then pushed out on the top here. Now here we are in the app. As you can see, we can adjust our fan speeds once again. We can turn this on to auto. We can turn it on to sleep, which is very quiet decibels. So if you have this in your bedroom, it's going to be fantastic. I love to set a timer. If I'm leaving from the house, I can set a timer on the app or simply on the device here, powering it on and off from the device and the app. Setting a schedule for if I want to set this on a specific day. You can really get detailed on how you want this device to be working. 2 handles on the side, which is going to pop this up, and you're going to be able to get that filter out right here. So filter is on the bottom. We have a 3-stage HEPA filter system in here, one of the higher quality filters on the market, right like that. You have your base. Very simple air filter, guys. Give it a twist, and just like that. Now this is a larger air filter, so I want to give you guys some reference here. It is quite large, but it honestly looks aesthetic. It's a very sleek white color. Looks great in the corner of my home here. So overall, I have been loving this air purifier. It's amazing to see the quality of your air. A lot of them don't show you your air quality on the screen here, so it's awesome to be able to read my air quality. I have a dog, we have allergies, so this is amazing. It gives us much more breathable, fresh air. And I think having high quality, purified air is the most important thing you can do for your health, and Levoit is the way to go.